Alright, hey, what's up, y'all? So remember, we are in the month of natural solutions. This is June 2020, and this week our focus is household cleaners. Alright, we want non-toxic or less toxic alternatives to things that we use every day, such as dish soap, laundry detergent, all-purpose cleaners, glass cleaners, and bathroom cleaners. Alright, and the reason that this is important to us is because we understand, remember, toxins and toxicants by definition damage cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. And in that damage, combined with possibly inappropriate food eating and nutrient deficiencies over time, this is what contributes to a lot of the symptoms that we experience, and also ultimately groups of symptoms which we call disease. A lot of the chronic degenerative diseases that we suffer from today are the result of nutritional deficiencies and toxicities built up over a lifetime. So we want to control what we can control. All right, now, when it comes to these recommendations, we want to focus on safety, which means choosing appropriate ingredients or less toxic ingredients, but we also want to focus on efficacy or things that work. If I tell you that Dawn dishwashing liquid is toxic, and then the recommendation I give you does not take grease away like Dawn does, you're going to go back to using Dawn. I've done that in the past, all right? So we want to make sure that we have something that's relatively safe, but that also works so that we can make this work in a modern lifestyle. So our strategy to come up with our recommendations is we always research EWG.org. We research the EPA to see if they have any info on the topic that we're covering, and then we cross-reference that with the holistic health leaders that we follow, people like Dr. Mercola and Mark Sisson and Chris Kresser and Dr. Axe and Sarah Ballantyne and some others. And then we usually come up with some consistencies there. And then we also poll our community sometimes and poll the people that are actually at home doing these things, trying to make this work in a modern lifestyle, and then we come up with our recommendations, all right? So in this class on household cleaners, what we'll be talking about is things to look for as far as ingredients go, the things to absolutely avoid, how to make your own cleaners. So this is the most holistic and natural way because you're controlling all the ingredients, but some people are not going to want to go to those lengths. So we always have recommendations for pre-made things you can buy at stores and online through Amazon and places like that. All right, now this class is being held this Friday again at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to be awesome, an hour of power. We're going to cover a lot of information. The way that you RSVP, you can go to our Crowdcast page at crowdcast.io/SHT. You'll see all the courses there, including the one coming up on Friday. Or you can always go to superhumantransformation.com and visit our calendar. You can get to the same link there, all right? Once you get into that Crowdcast event page, then you're going to RSVP through that green box at the top right, all right? For 20 bucks, you're going to have a mind-blowing seminar with all kinds of resources and handouts and PDFs and stuff. And if by chance you have a coupon code, before you click on that green box, you're going to click on Use Coupon and use your coupon code, all right? So if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out, and we are excited to share this information with you. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.